Alhamdulillah, everything is fine. Before starting class today, alangkah baiknya kita baca bismillah serta doa sebelum belajar dulu ya teman-teman.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Amin.
Alright guys, thank you. Let me ask you some things. Imagine you own a business and your sales are increasing every month. Sounds great, right? But suddenly you realize that your profit is very small and you don't have enough can to pay your expense. Why do you think that happens? That's exactly what we are going to learn today from finance and accounting. So let's begin our discussion. Okay everyone, today we are going to learn about finance and accounting. Finance is about how a business manages and uses its money. It's a focus on planning, budgeting, and making financial decisions. Meanwhile, accounting is the process of recording, organizing, and reporting financial transactions. Sederhananya, finance membantu bisnis menentukan bagaimana uang digunakan, sedangkan accounting membantu mencatat dan melaporkan kemana uang tersebut pergi. Okay guys, why do business need a profit? Let's start with a simple question. Why do business needs profit? Profit is the amount of money left after all expenses have been paid. In other words, profit always whether a business to successful or out. Semakin besar profit atau laba yang diperoleh, semakin besar pula peluang usaha tersebut berkembang, membuka cabang baru, atau menghasilkan kualitas produk dan layanan yang jauh lebih baik. Nah, aku punya pertanyaan nih buat kalian semua. Because profit is out of the most important indicator of business performance, can a business survive without a profit? Why or why not?
Saya miss. In the short term, maybe yes, but in the long term, no. Without profit, a business cannot grow. Invest in new opportunity or cover unexpected costs. Therefore, profit essential for business sustainability. Thank you.
Yaps, betul sekali. Kalau sesekali rugi sih nggak apa-apa ya. Cuma kalau berkali-kali 1, 2, 3 kali rugi, pasti nanti akan bangkrut teman-teman. Okay, next. Why financial records matter? Kenapa sih pencatatan keuangan itu penting? Every business needs a correct financial transaction, financial record. Financial record help managers understand the current condition of the business. They can be used to calculate tax, monitor income and expense, track debt, and support future planning. Bayangin, jika sebuah bisnis tidak memiliki pencatatan keuangan yang baik, pemilik usaha akan kesulitan mengetahui apakah usaha tersebut berkembang atau justru rugi. Therefore, financial records are essential for effective difficult management. Okay, students. Now, let's talk about debitor and creditors. A debitor is a person or company that owes money to the business. On the other hand, a creditor is a person or company that the business owes money to. Jadi, debitor adalah pihak yang masih harus membayar kepada perusahaan karena dia memiliki hutang, sedangkan kreditor adalah pihak yang harus dibayar oleh perusahaan karena dia memberikan hutang atau memiliki piutang. Managing both properly is important to maintain a healthy financial position. Sampai di sini adakah yang masih ingin kalian tanyakan atau mungkin masih bingung terkait materi-materi yang sebelumnya? Baik, kalau tidak ada, mungkin kita bisa next ya ke credit sales in business. Many businesses use credit sale instead of direct cash payment. In a credit sale, customer receive a product first and pay later according to an agreed payment period. This system can increase sales because customers have more flexibility. Namun, sistem ini juga memiliki resiko karena perusahaan harus menunggu pembayaran dari customer-nya. Therefore, business need a proper credit management to avoid financial problems. Singkatnya, kita harus tetap memiliki suatu pengelolaan keuangan yang baik kalau kita mau memunculkan sistem kredit di perusahaan yang kita miliki. Next, cash flow, the lifeblood of business. Cash flow refers to the movement of money into and out of a business. Money coming into the business is called cash inflow, while money leaving the business is called cash outflow. Cash flow is extremely important because business need cash to pay salaries, supplier, rent, and other operating expense. Bahkan, sebuah bisnis bisa saja menghasilkan profit, tetapi tetap mengalami masalah jika cash flow-nya buruk. That's why cash flow is often called the lifeblood of a business. Okay, students, I have a question for you about this page. If a business have a 50 million profit but only has 500,000 cash available, is the business financially healthy?
Sayang yes, not necessary. Even though the business is profitable, it might still have cash flow problems. Without no cash, the business might struggle to pay salaries, suppliers, or operational expenses.
Okay, good. And this shows that a profit and cash are not the same things. A company can be profitable on paper, but still face financial difficult if it has cash. Okay, students. Next page. Managing credit risk. Kalian bisa lihat di sini ya. When a business sell a product on credit, there is always a risk that customer may not pay on time. This is known as credit risk. To reduce this risk, companies can set a credit limit, review customer payment histories, offer discount for early payments, and regularly monitor outstanding invoice. Dengan strategi bisnis ini, perusahaan dapat mengurangi kemungkinan kerugian akibat piutang yang tidak tertagih, seperti yang sering kita jumpai di perhitungan akuntansi 2/10, artinya adalah mendapatkan diskon 2% ketika pembayaran dilakukan dalam kurun waktu 10 hari. Okay, students. To summarize today's lesson, finance and accounting are important tools for managing a business successful. Finance helps business plan and manage money, while accounting helps record and report finance information. Together, they help business control costs, manage risk, monitor performance, and make a better decisions. Jadi singkatnya, tanpa finance dan accounting yang baik, sebuah bisnis akan sulit berkembang secara berkelanjutan, di mana keduanya adalah hal yang saling berkesinambungan. I have something question for you in the last session. What is the difference between finance and accounting?
Science. Financial focus on managing and planning money for the future. While accounting focus on recording and reporting past financial transactions.
Yes, good jobs. Accounting tells you what's happened to the money, while finance helps you decide what to do with the money. guys, that's a wrap for today. Hopefully after this session, finance and accounting feels like confusing and more relatable. Remember, making sales